In the following short video, we are going through the index tab Measure in the V&F Operator software. Under Measure, you can see 6 further index tabs where different settings can be adjusted. The first one is named Standard Sequence. In a standard sequence, a cycle of analysis of a various number of sample points can be defined. The standard sequence is always running on the lowest priority. On the left-hand side, you can see the list of measurement methods, which is in principle the list of selected sample points. Here you can add new sample points or delete existing ones from the sequence. On the right-hand side, it can be defined if the values should be saved into the database or if the analyzer, the CO2 sense, should be set to standby mode where the detector is off. Under the index tab Schedules, you can see the list of measurement methods that equal the sample points on the left-hand side. For each sample point, you can configure a schedule for automatic full calibration, automatic zero calibration, automatic measurements, and you can see a list of active schedules for the selected sample point. Usually, you have one default sample point, most likely a tank, that is used for scheduled calibrations. Under the index tab COA, you can see the list of the predefined certificates of analysis. Here, new ones can be added or existing ones can be deleted. Next to the name, the template can be selected from the drop-down list, and the used specification that should be used to compare the analysis results can be chosen. Also can be chosen if foreign odor, foreign appearance, or foreign taste should be used. For all three of those, you can enter the text that should be stated on the COA. Under the index tab Specifications, you can find a list of predefined ones. In this list, you can add new ones or delete existing ones. On the right-hand side, you can enter a name and some additional information. And you can also enter the text for the COAs in case that the analysis has passed the specification or failed the specification. The placeholder uses the same ledger which is also stated on the template of the certificate. In the drop-down list of grades, you can select under which grade the selected specification falls. Under checked molecules, you can see and adjust the list of components that are relevant for the specification. Under molecules, you can see the name of the component. Under ID, we see the index number for the database. You can define a low and low limit for each component, which are not relevant for impurities, and high limit and a high limit that are used as warning and error limits for each component. Under unit, you can select if you want to use ppb, ppm, or volume percent. Under Index tab Templates, you can see the list of the configured templates. After selecting one of the templates, you can watch the preview of how it would look like after printing. Of course, the placeholders will be replaced by real values. You would also have the possibility to make minor changes by edit file or to change the complete template with a new one. Under the Index tab Grades, you can see the list of the predefined grades. Also here, new ones could be added or existing ones could be deleted. On the right hand side, you can see the name, the ID number used for the fill log, the level number, and the header text for the COAs which is used.